Have you ever wondered why Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas, was never discovered by the Spanish conquistadors? Perched high in the clouds, nestled amidst the towering peaks of the Andean mountains, lies the enigma that is Machu Picchu. A city lost in time, concealed from the prying eyes of the world, and particularly the Spanish invaders. The geographical location of Machu Picchu is nothing short of a masterstroke. Situated nearly 8,000 feet above sea level, the city is a marvel of ancient architecture, wrapped in the embrace of the mountains. The unique features of this city, its terraced fields and intricate stonework, all contribute to its impressive camouflage, blending seamlessly into the mountainous landscape. Its isolation, coupled with the challenging terrain, kept it safe from the Spanish conquistadors, preserving its mystique and grandeur till the early 20th century. Unearth the secrets of this remarkable city as we journey together through time. Let's journey back to the 15th century, to the heart of the Inca Empire. A time of remarkable advancements, the Inca civilization was a vibrant tapestry of culture, architecture, and technology. Situated in the highlands of the Andes, this empire was the largest in pre-Columbian America. Its territory stretched across modern-day Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina, marking the Incas' influence over a vast and diverse landscape. The Inca people, renowned for their craftsmanship, created structures that have not only stood the test of time, but have also left us in awe of their architectural prowess. Their skills were not solely confined to architecture. The Incas developed complex agricultural systems, using terracing and irrigation to cultivate the rugged Andean mountainsides. They grew a variety of crops, including potatoes and maize, which would become staple foods in many parts of the world. Now, let's turn our attention to a particular gem of the Inca Empire, the hidden city of Machu Picchu. Nestled among the misty peaks of the Andes, Machu Picchu was more than just a city. It was a testament to the Incas' innovative spirit and their deep connection with nature. Its stone structures and terraces blend seamlessly with the surrounding mountains, creating a harmonious balance between human-made and natural elements. Machu Picchu was a vital part of the Inca civilization. Scholars believe it was a royal estate or a religious retreat, given its intricate buildings and sanctuaries. It was a city of the elite, a place where the highest echelons of Inca society would gather, away from the hustle and bustle of the empire's capital, Cusco. Despite its grandeur, Machu Picchu remained hidden from the outside world for centuries. Its isolation preserved it from the ravages of time and conquest, allowing us to glimpse the brilliance of the Inca civilization. But what happened to this once thriving empire and its hidden city? The answer lies in the dramatic chapters of history that unfold in the years following the zenith of the Inca Empire. But that's a story for another time. In the 16th century, a new force arrived on the shores of the New World, the Spanish conquistadors. The arrival of the Spanish conquistadors in the New World marked the beginning of a new era, one that would forever change the course of history. These adventurers, driven by their thirst for gold, desire for glory, and the mandate of their Catholic faith, set their eyes on the vast and rich civilizations of the Americas. Among these, the Inca Empire, a society with a rich culture, complex political structures, and impressive architectural feats. However, the Incas were soon to face a monumental challenge. In the early 1530s, Francisco Pizarro, a Spanish conquistador, led an expedition into the heart of the Inca Empire. Despite their superior numbers, the Incas were no match for the Spanish and their advanced weaponry. The empire fell, succumbing to a combination of Spanish military might, treachery, and diseases to which the Incas had no immunity. Yet, amidst the turmoil and chaos of the conquest, one Inca city remained hidden from the Spanish invaders, Machu Picchu. Tucked away high in the Andean mountains, this city remained untouched and undiscovered. While the Spanish were looting and dismantling the Inca Empire, Machu Picchu stood silent and undisturbed, a testament to the architectural prowess and ingenuity of the Incas. But the question arises, why did Machu Picchu remain undiscovered? Some say it was the city's remote location, hidden amongst the clouds. Others suggest it was due to the Incas intentionally keeping it secret. The truth, however, remains shrouded in the mists of time. The fall of the Inca Empire marked the end of a remarkable civilization. Yet the Spanish conquest also paved the way for the fusion of cultures, the birth of a new society, and the eventual rediscovery of the hidden city of Machu Picchu. So, how did we come to know about this hidden gem? Fast forward to 1911, a curious explorer named Hiram Bingham stumbled upon the forgotten city. This moment marked the beginning of a new chapter in the history of Machu Picchu. Nestled in the verdant Peruvian Andes, this ancient city had lain dormant for centuries, its secrets shrouded by the ebb and flow of time. Hiram Bingham, an American historian, was on a quest for Vilcabamba, the last stronghold of the Inca Empire. Instead, he stumbled upon the awe-inspiring ruins of Machu Picchu. Bingham was captivated by the sight of stone structures, terraces, and plazas, all seemingly untouched by the passage of time. He returned to the site in the following years, leading expeditions that unearthed priceless artifacts and gave us invaluable insights into the lives of the Incas. The rediscovery of Machu Picchu was more than just an archaeological breakthrough. It ignited a global fascination with this enigmatic city. Scholars and enthusiasts alike were drawn to its remarkable history, its architectural prowess, and its awe-inspiring location. The world was eager to unlock the mysteries of this lost city, to understand its people, and to marvel at the ingenuity of a civilization that had once thrived in such a remote and challenging environment. The subsequent excavations shed light on the city's past. They revealed that Machu Picchu was likely a royal retreat, a sanctuary for the Inca elite. The intricate stonework, the advanced water distribution system, and the alignment of certain structures with celestial bodies all pointed towards a society that was far ahead of its time. However, the rediscovery of Machu Picchu was not without its controversies. The removal of artifacts by Bingham's expeditions drew criticism, sparking debates about archaeological ethics and the rights of indigenous communities. These debates continue to resonate today, adding another layer of complexity to the narrative of Machu Picchu. Today, Machu Picchu stands as a testament to the Incas' ingenuity and resilience. This ancient city, once lost and now found, continues to captivate us, reminding us of the ephemeral nature of human civilizations and the enduring power of curiosity and discovery. Scene script. Fast forward to the 21st century. What does Machu Picchu look like today? Welcome to present-day Machu Picchu, a city frozen in time, nestled in the clouds atop the Andes. Today, this ancient Incan city is recognized globally for its historical and cultural significance, highlighted by its prestigious status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This honor, bestowed upon it in the late 20th century, underscores its importance and the global commitment to its preservation. The preservation efforts for Machu Picchu are a testament to our collective dedication to safeguarding our shared human history. A host of international and local organizations work tirelessly to maintain the site and protect it from the ravages of time and human interference. These efforts include stringent site management, careful monitoring of the site's condition, and rigorous measures to control visitor numbers. Machu Picchu's popularity as a tourist destination is undeniable, attracting hundreds of thousands of visitors annually from around the globe. It's not just a place to snap the perfect Instagram shot, but an opportunity to walk in the steps of the Incas, to experience a civilization that once flourished and then vanished. The city's intricate architecture, sophisticated water systems, and astronomical alignments are a testament to Incan ingenuity and their deep connection with nature. However, this popularity is a double-edged sword. The influx of tourists brings much-needed revenue for preservation and local economies, but it also poses challenges. Over-tourism can lead to damage and strain on the ancient structures and the surrounding environment. It's a delicate balance between making this incredible site accessible to the world and preserving it for future generations. In response, responsible tourism initiatives have been implemented. These include limiting daily visitor numbers, enforcing strict site rules, and educating tourists about the importance of respecting and protecting this remarkable piece of our shared human heritage. Machu Picchu, a city lost and found, continues to enchant and inspire. Its grandeur, its mystery, and its testament to a civilization long gone make it a beacon for those seeking connection, understanding, and perhaps a touch of magic in this modern world. So, what can we take away from this journey through time and space? We've traversed the epochs, from the zenith of the Inca Empire, an empire whose ingenuity and resilience still astound us today, to the tumultuous times of the Spanish Conquest, a period that saw the downfall of this once mighty empire, but could not erase the indelible footprints it left behind. We followed the trail of rediscovery of Machu Picchu, concealed for centuries, until its unveiling to the world in the early 20th century. A testament to the tenacity of human spirit, it stands as a beacon that echoes the tales of a bygone era. Today, Machu Picchu still reigns in all its glory, a proud sentinel amidst the Andean peaks, a destination that continues to captivate, to inspire, and to educate about our shared history. Machu Picchu, a marvel of ancient architecture and a symbol of endurance, invites us all to explore and learn from our past.